JUKI has long stood beside sewing factories around the world. Today, we move beyond products to become a true partner in solving our customers' challenges. As a partner for a sustainable future, we continue to grow and evolve together. Innovation for your sustainable future. Let us introduce JUKI's solutions. With more than 65 years of experience and expertise gained worldwide, JUKI's factory diagnosis delivers the optimal path to productivity. We reduce work in progress, eliminate waste, and design efficient layouts. By leveraging on-site data, we realize improvements that balance both quality and efficiency. Connecting the factory through IoT, Janets makes sewing machine operations visible in real time. It helps improve line balance and reduce defects. By turning data into action, Janets drives a fast cycle of improvement that transforms manufacturing. Developing people is the foundation of every factory's future. JUKI's e-learning platform offers training in 8 languages worldwide. From basics to advanced skills, learners can master knowledge through videos and tests. Anytime, anywhere, it empowers the next generation of talent. ShuHaRi brings equipment inspection and maintenance into the digital age. With a simple smartphone app, inspections become an easy daily routine. Checklists ensure reliability, while records are automatically stored in the cloud. This enables precise parts replacement, accurate maintenance planning, and a safe, dependable production environment. JUKI's strengths go far beyond sewing. We deliver total solutions that cutting, material handling, and finishing. As a partner who can seamlessly support every stage of production, we help factories achieve higher efficiency and greater value. JUKI continues to move beyond manufacturing, working hand in hand with our customers to shape the future. Innovation for your sustainable future.